Alright guys, so one last follow-up for the night. So it's getting late. Putting together a list of parts I need to order. You should see down there. I gotta get the harmonic balancer. Everything here has been disconnected. Also replacing the AC compressor. Get the power steering pump tied up out of the way. And next time I come out and start working on this thing, it's going to be to pull the intake off, find the lift point in the back, disconnect the motor mounts, make sure all the vacuum hoses and wires are free and clear, disconnect the drive shaft, and we're going to pull out both the engine and the transmission all in one shot. And we're going to go from there. So hopefully guys you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one, which will be in the afternoon. Alright, take care guys.